Hey guys, we are back in the kitchen, Chukwu Maker Kitchen, putting together another delicious recipe. From the title of this video, you already know what it is, honey garlic chicken. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now the ingredients that I'm using for this recipe is pretty basic. You most likely already have all of the ingredients in your pantry already. So what you see me doing here is I have my bone-in chicken thighs and I'm adding some garlic wine vinegar, making sure each piece is coated. I'm then going to go ahead and add the remainder of my ingredients, which consist of onion powder and garlic powder. I have some sea salt and black pepper. And I'm going to make sure each side is coated. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and add in my Sazon. I'll be using these later on in the recipe. I'm now putting together my ingredients for my honey garlic sauce. And then I'm going to move over to the stove and let this come to a slow simmer. While my sauce is simmering, I'm going to go ahead and layer my chicken with a thin coat of flour. And then we're going to go ahead and get it into the pan, starting out with it, frying it with the skin side down first. We want the skin to be nice and crispy. You see our sauce is starting to thicken. That looks so nice. I'm adding my red pepper flakes to give it a bit of a kick. And we'll just let it continue to simmer. I'm now going to go ahead and turn my chicken thighs. And look how nice the skin has turned out. That's what we're looking for. Now I'm not letting this cook completely because the remainder of the cooking time will be done once I add the garlic sauce, the honey garlic sauce. And using the same pan, I'm going to go ahead and add in my garlic and my scallion. I have a little bit too much oil that I left in the pan, but we'll worry about that later. I'll just have to go in and remove some of it, and you'll see me do that later on. Returning my chicken to the pan. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our honey garlic sauce. And we're simply going to let this simmer until it starts to thicken. And as I said before, this is where our chicken is going to go ahead and cook for the remainder of the time until it's done. We'll be back. Removing that excess oil that I mentioned before. I have one more piece that I have to try and squeeze in there. All Alrighty guys, at this stage you can go ahead and remove it because it will continue to cook. You can see it has started to thicken. Sauce is fairly thick right there, so it is safe to remove it. And just like that, we are done. Our honey garlic chicken. Thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. And as we always say here, Yah willing, of course, we shall see you on the next one. Shalom.